All right, happy 4th of July to you all. And for those of you who do not celebrate Independence Day in America, well, happy Friday then. So, quick little update before I head to the beach for some firework extravaganza fun. Um, all I'm doing is working on the marketing assets. That's it. This is like actually um, a lot faster than developing the product, but it's still kind of a chore. It's just basically screen recording, putting captions, generating stuff with AI as needed, and the grind. So the exciting stuff has not happened yet. For me, that it's going to be once I start running ads. Not even just posting these videos, because I do that all the time anyways, and it's like whatever. But it's the learning how to run the ads and the targeting. I'm just fascinated and I can't wait to learn that on TikTok. So that's it. I am out of here. See you tomorrow for day 13. Today is day 12. Tomorrow, lucky 13th video. Peace. Happy Independence Day, America. Bye.